Hey everyone, Aja here from Panda Monium. We decided to come into Williams. They have dollar tacos. It's Taco Tuesday.
Don't believe her.
Hey y'all.
Hey. We got Wings Wednesday.
So awkward. Anyways, we are gonna meet a bunch of friends here and get some dollar tacos. I think they have $4 margaritas. I just came from Flagstaff because I had to run and do some errands and pick up some more paint for the fence because I want to finish that before the season's over with. But let's go inside. Oh, looky, looky. This is a cute place. It is a bar. So I think they're just trying to get people to come in. I don't know how much I can actually film because they do have music playing and I don't want to get a strike. Creepy, creepy. We have an issue here. Everything is so dark I can't see nothing. Hold on.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. God, they chose a black menu with white. It's hard to see anything.
There's not many lights in here.
Yeah. Here's their
I'm not sure there's any lights
Taco
whatsoever.
Tuesday. So they have $1 tacos. Choice of regular or spicy ground beef. Okay.
And then you can have soft or crispy.
And they have margaritas too, right?
They have margaritas.
For how much?
I don't know. I don't drink margaritas.
They're not on special.
They're not on special.
Oh, they're not? I thought they were. They are dog friendly, so I brought moo-moo in.
You want to sit on Auntie's lap, huh?
She doesn't know I'm okay.
She loves taco. Hi. She's like, taco? Oh.
Kellogg, I think Kellogg's trying to find a dance partner. Somebody here wants to dance with Kellogg. It is a nice place here. This is the first time we've been. What is this, Salter's Bar or
Sultana?
Sultana's Bar? Yeah.
Very, very old.
It is very old.
It's been around since the founder of Williams.
Oh wow! Yay! Our food is here. Tacos and more tacos, dollar tacos, and then he got the appetizers, which is the cheese sticks, the chimichangas. What is that? Chicken tenders and egg rolls. Nice.
That's taquitos.
Taquitos. Egg rolls, cheese sticks.
Jalapeno poppers.
Oh, jalapeno poppers. Okay.
What are those?
Egg rolls. Well, that was pretty good, and it was nice hanging out with friends, but obviously it was a bar, and it was bar food, so all deep-fried stuff mainly. This is what I ended up getting while I was in town. I got more steer manure, cow manure, and then I'm going to mix this in with the girls. I'm hoping to get some earthworms, because when I mixed it into my garden, I got earthworms from putting the cow manure in. So I'm hoping that'll happen with the chicken coop, so they can scratch around and they'll have earthworms underneath to feed off of and stuff. Well, we'll try and see what happens. Y'all ready to get in? Huh? It should be unlocked. Right. Here you go. Okay. All right, go inside.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
I am back on the property. It's the next day. It was nice to go and hang out at the bar and just chill with friends last night. But today I was going to get started on the fence, or finish the fence, since I had bought all the paint. But it is just way too windy today, and that paint will be all over the place. So I opted not to do that today and to work on my heating system in Panda, because I usually have my furnace, but the blower just makes a lot of noise, and it uses a lot of propane, and so does the buddy heater. It's just the buddy heater, the small one, is unreliable. It's well, I always have to replace them. I think this is like my second or third one, and Jeff, I think he's on number 3 as well. So I decided to get something better this time. This is still by the Mr. Heater company, but this one actually has a blue flame. It has a thermostat, so it cuts on and off by itself, which is amazing, because that's the annoying thing about the smaller one, is there's no thermostat, so if it's hot, you just have to cut it off. So this one, you can actually set, there's a controller here. You can set the level of the heat, and it does have an automatic or electronic light ignition. that it can light itself. So this is going to be a game changer, much better, I think, in my opinion anyways. So Jeff is getting it installed for me. He's nice enough to do that. We bought this item off of Amazon. It was 180 bucks. They do have a natural gas one, but I use propane, so I didn't want that one. And that one's actually more expensive. It's about 200 bucks. And then the accessories, the fan, the hoses, the connectors were a little under $100. So we have almost 300 bucks in the system, so I hope it's a good system. I hope it works great. This is the tank that we're gonna hook it up to. I do have a spare that I keep with me, so I can keep that full, and when this is empty, I have something to switch it out with. This is the new regulator here that we had to purchase. It didn't come with it, which was weird, because I guess they expect you to hook it up into a system that already has a regulator, so they don't sell the regulator. But I'm doing an external tank and not putting it on my onboard tank, so we had to buy an additional regulator. Hey Olive, what you looking at? This is the old unit, and we cut off the gas to it, so I'm just gonna burn off what's in there. It smells like propane, doesn't it, huh? Okay, I'll let that burn out. Then we'll go ahead and disconnect all the hoses. What you doing, Olive, huh? You wanna know what's going on? Yes. Yeah, it smells like gas. Don't get out of there, weirdo. I know, you're weird. Weird, Olive. Wow. So we actually have two old units. The one that Jeff has, actually, he cleaned out and it started working again, but he doesn't trust it to go through another season, so he bought himself another one. And then the one that I have, I'm gonna clean it up, and it's working fine. It's just, I do really want something with a thermostat, and I'm going to give it to my mom just for emergency purposes, because 2 years ago, I think, they lost power in Texas, and they did not have any heat sources, or she did not have any heat sources, so she had to go stay with my sister and stuff. So I want to give her an emergency heat source, something that she can use with a propane tank. I told her that I was bringing this, and she was excited about it. It's always good to have a backup heat source. And like I said, it is working. I'm just burning the gas off now. I turned it on high. Then I'll also give her the hose that comes with this unit here. We just have to get her a propane tank, and I'll get that once we get to Texas. Oh, oops, I wasn't supposed to say that yet. Alright, Jeff is changing the hoses for the new one. Ooh, that smells like farts.
Well.
So that propane, or that, the thing is different, isn't it?
Well, this is
regulator?
the fitting that went in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the regulator's here instead of being inside the
Right.
thing. This hose didn't have any regulator.
No. It does in the unit, though.
Yeah. All right, now you got to get the soapy water.
Okay. All right, we've got the soapy water. I'm going to check the fittings, make sure there's no leaks. Or I guess, Jeff, here you can check it since you're standing there.
Well, it's the ones on the back of it.
Oh, on the back of the unit? Okay. So those should be fine then, right?
Should be fine.
Okay, well, give me the thing and I'll check the unit.
Put some on, let's be sure. These are factory fitted.
Is it good?
Yeah, I don't see any bubbles.
Okay. So gas on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You probably really smell gas by now.
Yeah. And usually if it's leaking, it will bubble.
Yeah.
I don't see any bubbles at all. Nope. And I don't smell any gas. We're good. Before we install the fan, we're going to make sure that the unit is working properly, because once you install the fan, you cannot return the unit. Mama, what you doing, huh? You want to come in and supervise? Or you're just going to lay outside in the sun? Okay. You go. Go lay in the sun. Oh, you hungry? You hungry? You ate already. Don't be piggy. Oh, I mentioned food, and here comes Kellogg. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside for now. Kellogg, get out of there. So he's holding the button down for 30 seconds to get the air out of the line. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? So that just makes me think that I might have to check the gas lines again once they get filled, because the gas line wasn't filled. Oh, there it goes. Whoops.
Yeah, it's got to get all the air out. It says.
Right. No, there it goes. Okay. Ooh, wow. It's already warm in here. This is much faster than the buddy heater, the smaller one. It's got it working. Looks good. So once it gets the temperature, the pilot light
stays lit.
Stays lit.
So that it can come back on again.
Okay. Oh, you don't like the heat? No?
It's pretty warm. You feel it over here.
Yeah, it is nice. Oh, yeah. Are you comfy, Kellogg? You comfy? Just getting ready to install the fan, which goes in the back like I showed you earlier. Here is the unit here. The only thing I don't like about this, it's 110, but I can just plug it into my inverter.
Oops, it goes on and off.
It does go
in the auto position. It detects when it gets hot in there, then it comes on, and when it cools down.
Okay, so it has a temperature gauge or whatever in here.
Yeah.
Or a thermostat. There it is. I see it. The thermostat on the back. Okay, cool. But yep, this is what's getting installed next, and this will blow it out of these vents here, which is much better than the smaller unit because it does not have a fan on it and it just kind of radiates in one spot. So at least this will kind of circulate. Right, Kellogg? It'll circulate. Is it annoying to get off?
Well, you have to break it. Oh, that's what I said. It's not.
Oh, so it was kind of tack welded in?
Yeah.
Huh. There you go. That's the thermostat, so it should go in the unit. So it can detect the temperature. There's a spot in the back that has 2 holes for screws for the thermostat to sit or rest in. It's probably kind of hard to get in there. Okay, that area is kind of tight to work with, and he's having a few issues. I just wanted to go over the gas usage of this. Now, this will use more than the smaller buddy heater as far as the BTU, because it is a larger unit, so as far as using more gas, it will. But the efficient thing about this unit is that it has the thermostat on it, so I don't have to, like, go and cut off the unit. It'll do it by itself once it reaches temp. And my other one, I would leave it on and then I'd be like, oh god, it's hot in here, so I would go and cut it off. But yeah, this one will reach temperature and then cut off, so in that way it's more efficient. So Jeff was just stating if the access hole was over a few inches, it'd be easier for him to attach the thermostat because they have it kind of over here behind the deflector shield, or the shield, the heat shield, and it's just hard to get to. They don't make anything easy. Everything has to be complicated. But if you had the right tools, that probably would make a difference too, because his screwdriver's a bit too long, and I don't have a shorter screwdriver. My messy tool bag. I'm checking. Oh, what is... No. These are just Allen wrenches. I don't think I have one that's shorter than that. This is what I always try to say, the right tools make the job much easier. Are you enjoying the windy day? So windy. Windy. Didn't find him a shorter one, but I did find a longer one.
I can't tell if it's
and at least the grip is not here, it's back here, so he can actually grip it. Okay, he got it in. See, it's in a pretty awkward space. They definitely should have moved that over just a couple inches. Kellogg, you're making an amazing supervisor. You barely keep your eyes open. It's got the sensor plugged into the fan. Yay, last screw. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna test the fan real quick and see if it works.
Oh, yeah,
it's good? Oh, yeah. Well, that'll be nice in the winter. Amazing. Then there are 3 levels on the switch. There's the on, and then off is the middle, and then the bottom is auto. So it should just...
It heats up so far, it should just kick on. And
exactly.
Then when the flame goes off and it cools down, then it should kick back off.
Right. Kellogg is one tired puppy.
He just likes comfy spots.
Well, it's been several days, and we've had a cold spell with several chilly nights. Actually, down to, I think our coldest night was 28 degrees. And this thing is working amazingly. And the thermostat is working properly. It gets the room up to temp, and then it just cuts off. The pilot light stays on. The fan will stay on as well for a little bit. But once the unit cools off, the fan will shut off. Moo-moo, are you passed out over there? Just like now, it's reached temp. So the flame has cut off with only the pilot light on. And in a few moments, the fan should cut off. Anyways, this is going to make an amazing new heat source for me in the winter. And I don't want to go over my winter plans in this video. I'll wait till the next video, or maybe the video after that, before I tell you what I'm going to do for my winter plans. It's not the norm of going back to southern Arizona. I'm going to do something a little different. I'm sure y'all can probably guess. I did say something about it earlier in the video. But yeah, we'll go over that in a later video. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. If you want to check out more videos, they'll be right over here. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to check out Patreon and subscribe, it'll be right over here. We'll see you next time. Mwah. Love you guys out there. Bye for now.